In this video, we show how to replace system cover in a PowerEdge M7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information or support about the PowerEdge M7725, visit dell.com support. To begin, first remove the sled from the rack. To remove the system cover, first turn the lock counterclockwise to unlock the system cover. Then lift the release latch and slide the cover backward and lift it off. To replace the system cover, align the system cover and lower it into place. Finally, secure it by turning the lock clockwise. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com support.